Welcome aboard the Sirena 48. I'm Andrew Porter from East Coast Yacht Sales. You're joining me at the Newport International Boat Show 2024 for the New England premiere of this new Sirena model. Let's go for a walkthrough tour, check out some of the features of this awesome new Sirena. Stepping onto the swim platform, first of all, it's really easy to get aboard, but second of all, you're already being invited into this amazing boat. 2 steps up into the aft cockpit, easy entry, and immediately you've got this amazing social space on the aft deck. Covered for shade, which is really nice to get out of the sun, and a really welcoming social space. Unbelievable, back aft, really beautiful. Let's take a look at the flybridge next. A nice set of stairs, not a ladder, so it's a pretty simple way to get up. And look at this sun pad. This is the ultimate lounge. It's got to be 12 feet wide and 10 feet long. Outside, you're just out in front of the hardtop. So the carbon fiber hardtop covers most of the flybridge, but out front here, you're out in the sun if you want to get out, get some sun. Flybridge helm station, everything you need. It's on the port side. Really good sight lines over the side and up to the bow. We've also got a stern camera, which helps with docking. And then the back of the flybridge, another lounge area. This one is also under the carbon fiber hardtop up here on the flybridge. This would be a really nice place for alfresco dining. These tables open up. So with all of the seating around the bench and the tables open, you've got dinner for, gosh, 8-10 people easily. We've also got a wet bar up here, lots of storage, sink and grill. Really nice use of space up here. Back on the main deck, let's go forward. Wide side decks, really secure, high gunnels, secure handholds. Here you've got the side entry door, which gets you into the helm. We'll take a peek at that when we're inside. And then up onto the foredeck, up a step, and another sun pad. Forward lounge area, amazing space. As big or bigger than the lounge up on the flybridge. But look at this space. Cool bow seat up here for a harbor cruise, or if you're out and about, or if you're at the dock or at anchor. Just a real relaxing area up here. Let's take a peek inside. Stepping into the Sirena 48, and you get this really interesting layout where you're immediately in the galley. The galley's aft, wide open to the aft deck, big sliding door, really kind of changes up the social spaces and how you move through the boat. What strikes me, seeing all the social spaces outside, and then as you come into the boat, there's tons of choice on this boat. Sirena calls it the luxury of choice. This is an amazing day boat. You could load a group of friends on this boat and go out for a day, harbor cruise, go out for a tour, and just party platform, social day boat. Sort of a striking combination, the luxury of choice that Sirena talks about. Let's take a closer look at that in the layout. Up a step into the interior saloon. Take a look at the light and the visibility. Huge U-shaped sofa with a really nice table to port. Sight lines 360 degrees through these amazing windows. And then we worked with the builder on this Sirena 48, and we did a bench sofa on the starboard side. It really makes sort of a little bit more symmetry in this social area. Tons of storage with drawers underneath. More locker storage over here. Plenty of room, but a nice symmetrical area that you can enjoy with friends inside. Again though, the light and the visibility. Check it out from the helm station. Interior helm, this is on the starboard side, which is really nice. So the flybridge helm's on the port side. If you needed to dock on port, just a glance over the rail and you can see that port side really well. Interior helm on starboard. You've got the side opening door, which is great for visibility and getting in and out to throw a dock line. But nice visibility up here. Easily you can see the bow. Easily you can see the stern. Really nice throughout the whole thing. Check out these accommodations. Straight ahead, you've got a VIP Centerline queen, walk around on both sides, really easy to get in and out of bed, easy to make the bed. Hull windows giving you a ton of light, opening port lights, massive closets, lockers, hanging lockers, and then access right through the VIP. You get into the guest head, day head, which has a beautiful stall shower, everything you would expect on a boat of this size and luxury. Over to starboard, you've got a twin cabin, another huge hanging locker, plenty of room to put all your gear, 2 comfortable beds, opening port light, hull window, very, very comfortable for a twin guest cabin on a 48-foot boat. Really amazing what they've done with the space. 2 steps down, moving aft, you come into the master suite. So an owner's cabin that you don't find on many 48-footers. Look at the size, full beam at the widest part of the boat, walk around, king bed, huge hull windows, a vanity, drawers, lockers, hanging lockers, counter space, all over the place. Owner's ensuite does have its own head with another stall shower. So that's 2 separate heads, 2 stall showers, one that is shared by the guests and acts as the day head, which is forward, and then down here in the owner's ensuite, the owners have their own. What a space in this owner's cabin. Coming back upstairs, I'm back into the saloon, back into the sort of sight lines and the view with the windows. Downstairs is unbelievable. 3 staterooms, 2 heads, luxurious accommodations even for the guests, really large, big staterooms. The room that you don't see, the use of the volume of this hull on a 48-foot boat, you don't see this very often. Really spectacular. Coming back through the saloon, just sort of a unique layout. The reverse galley at the back. You're closer to the social space outside. You're closer to being outdoors. You got the huge sliding window, massive fridge and freezer, loads of pantry storage all through the galley. Sort of a home style galley. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice touch. An opening window above the galley where you might be cooking, standing at the stove, get a little extra air and ventilation. 48 feet. Sirena has really done a lot with this. Back out to the aft deck, back into this inviting space. I absolutely love this covered social space. Man, they really did a lot here. This is so great. That's the Sirena 48. Sirena has done a lot with this new 48-foot model, a luxury of choice. Day boating with a crowd, cruising with friends and family. They've really accomplished a lot. Great use of space, great use of the volume, and capturing every nook and cranny in this new Sirena 48. It was really nice to walk you through this boat. My name's Andrew Porter from East Coast Yacht Sales. If you have any questions about the Sirenas, please give me a call. My information is below this video. Thanks for coming along.